I affirm my power. The power within you is endless. It is forever regenerating, renewing, and expanding with every breath that you take. And this power that exists within you is the same power that resides around you. For you're connected to the unlimited abundance of the universe at all times. You are both the created and the creator. Anything in the entire universe can be yours because you have the power to create your life. What you wish to co create with the universe is up to you. But to do so, you need to own that power within. You need to step into the life that you have always desired because no one is going to do it for you. Obtaining this power is not a matter of changing who you are, for you have always held this power. Instead, it is a change of perception of who you think you are. This requires you to own your talents, your intelligence, your beauty, your unique divine soul gifts, to live your truth, and to believe in your abilities of greatness. You need to remember the infinite power within you that you have carried over many lifetimes. This is the power that your ancestors gave you. All of that power is wisdom, it's knowledge and intelligence. All of that power is unlimited angelic energy, full of love, full of source creation, full of the ability to create the life that you crave and to become the person you aspire to. Whatever you choose to place your time into, whatever vibration you allow yourself to move to, is where your heart will follow. So be sure to choose wisely and ensure that it is the truth of what your soul is craving. Because you are powerful, regardless of being consciously or unconsciously aware of it. But if you recognize your worth, if you own your gifts and light, if you start stepping into your true power, you will be unstoppable in achieving your goals and calling manifestations into your life. Today, step into your power. Take a step forward into the real you, into the you that you have been hiding. Remember how divinely guided and loved you are, and that this love that surrounds you wants you to be yourself. Today, affirm your power with your voice, actions, and thoughts. Let me add there, feelings and thoughts. Remember who you really are. Remember the truth of your own divinity. Remember the power that you have acquired over many lifetimes.